Hello everyone, it's Misty here from TheJollyFatElf. Happy Monday. Thank you so much for joining me. I have a little bonus video for you because I have a quick little haul. So I haven't really been purchasing much in the way of crafting supplies, etc. because I am doing this Way Back Wednesday series now with you guys and Fresh Friday. And I already have everything planned out literally through the end of October. I mean, through the end of September. So I just wanted to share a couple of things that I picked up. The first, can we talk about this? This is the Scotch mounting foam. This is the new one. This is the old one. I feel like this is thicker. Let me tell you, this was impossible. I picked it up 2 different times on Amazon, and both times they sent me the wrong one. So I had to return it. And then finally, they sent me the right one. I guess it's a little bit thinner, maybe. Maybe it's the same size. I think it's a different material. This feels more like a foam, and this feels more like styrofoam. So I don't know, but I got a big roll. And the reason why I picked it up is because it was like $35, and that is the cheapest I've seen it on Amazon. Well, now we know why. So I picked up a new roll of this, and I like to use this when I'm doing like bigger images or like card panels, etc. So there's that. And then Michelle and Connie both got me a couple of the Pissy Kitties, and I got the rest I wanted when they put them on sale. The first is this one. This is Somebody's Grumpy Pissy Kitty. This is my egg-sided face, hoppy, no, fluff off. Spring is in the air, and so is my attitude. And it's this cute little kitten. Now these are red rubber cling stamps, so they have a cling backer and are red rubber, and they stamp really, really well. I did a video in February using one, I think. So really, really cute. And then, oh wait, I'm missing one because I know I bought more Christmas. Let's see if I can find it. Hold on. Well, I thought I picked up more of these. I didn't. Maybe, did I? I don't think I did. Maybe I just got these 4. So this is Curlers and Catitude. Just one cup away from pretending I care. If Monday had a face, this would be it. Coffee first, attitude adjustment later. Good days aren't perfect. They're just days where you decide to smile anyway. And I tried to be a morning person once. It was awful. Cute, cute, cute. Then we have Ho Ho No. This is by Lisa Arnett is the artist, it looks like. No one told me I had to be nice. Fa la 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 la. Fa la la blah blah blah. Ho ho no. Santa is so judgy. Let's pretend this card has warm and fuzzy holiday wishes. And then Frosty and Feisty Pissy Kitty. This is Guess Who is Not in the Holiday Spirit. Mood 99% done with everything. Walking in a winter, why am I here land? Winter got me like, don't let it snow, not a fan of sweater weather. This is my joy to the world face. Aren't they cute? They're so stinking cute. Love, love, love. I'm not sure when we'll get to them, but we'll get to them at some point in my life. So the next one is a little different. So I was recommended a creator on YouTube that's Emily Cromwell Designs. Her name is Emily, and she creates, in her words, colorful bookish merch for readers. So all of her stationery items, etc., is themed around books. And let me tell you, she is my soul sister. We are best friends. She does not know that. But her and our style, like, super mesh. She's into bright, colorful. She loves pink. I love purple. And I just fell in love with her personality. She has a chronic illness, and it's just, you know, deals with that and tries to run this business. And I think I've gone back and watched all of her videos. Maybe it's a little stalker-ish, I don't know. But I'm sad that I missed it on her holiday launch. But she's just fun and vibrant and bubbly, and it's been a joy to watch her. And so she had a Romanticy launch. So if you're unfamiliar, if you didn't know, I read voraciously. I normally read at least 500 books in a year. Yes, that many. And one thing that I love is like paranormal, or where it's like a fantasy, fae, shifters, all of that things, romance books. I strictly read male, like gay male, FTM, you know, all of that kind of stuff. But I just fell in love with her shop. So anyway, she had that small little launch, and so I picked up a few things. She also has a quarterly subscription box. I've signed up for that. And she and I are almost birthday twins. Her birthday is the 28th of April, and mine is the 29th of April. So yeah. So this is so fun. She is somewhere in Massachusetts. So when she talked about going to like Old Sturbridge Village and stuff, and I was like, oh, I've been there too. And I told her, I was like, listen, she's up from Massachusetts, and because that's where he's from as well. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. I'm so excited. What am I going to do with all these notepads? I guess use them. I don't know. So every order gets a free bookmark, and so this is from the book. She sells tons of bookmarks and stickers and stuff, but I don't read physical books, and it makes me sad because I can't get any of her bookmarks because they are hella cute. But this one has like a dragon, and there's fireflies, and this is a path to her romantasy library. So every order gets a free bookmark. So and then she sends a card that she writes on. It says, "You are amazing. Thank you so very much for your order. Your support for my shop means the absolute world to me. And I hope this order makes you smile and adds some happiness to your day. And then I'd rather be lost in a romantasy book." So this is actually, can be a print or a half. She does these oversized bookmarks. So I thought that was cute. So the only thing I really got from the romantasy collection was the notepad, and then the sticky notes. Isn't her, like, seriously, these are just my colors, y'all. And then, so I picked up this one, Lemonade Books and Sunshine, and it's strawberry lemonade. Some of these are from years past. So this is from her Valentine's collection, I think last year. It says, love, sweetheart, be mine, hugs, kisses, chocolate, forever falling in love, treats, and then Cupid. These are really nice, kind of soft touch matte. They're really nice. I love this one, Read More Books. And then this one is Romance Books Are My Happy Place, and it has all the tropes like one bed, brother's best friend, fated mate, enemies to lovers, forced proximity, friends to lovers, second chance. So all of the romance tropes. You get a lot of pages too. And then these are the two Christmas designs she had. Oh god, that's so cute. It's so cute. She has it on a t-shirt. She had like, oh, I cannot wait. And the cute little penguins too. So again, YouTube just fed her to me. It's not something I would normally watch, but I was really attracted to her thumbnails. She needs to help me do my thumbnails. I could be up on my thumbnail game, that's for sure. But yeah, so just a cute little haul for, you know, just a cute little haul. Like I said, I'm trying not to buy a whole bunch because, you know, we're going to have this surgery soon, and I've already mapped out all of my projects for now until the end of September. But yeah, so thank you so much for joining me. I really do appreciate you. So tomorrow I find out surgery date, hopefully, and we will go from there. But yeah, if you haven't already, I hope you'll consider subscribing. I am posting Wayback Wednesdays on Wednesdays, and that's where I share with you a card video from the past. And then Fresh Fridays is where I remake the card using the image from Wednesday. So I posted the first one last week. If you missed it, the robot card, you guys seem to love that card in this series. And I'm so excited that you do because I love it too. So all right, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a good day, night, week, wherever you are. I love your faces. I'll see you Wednesday for another video. Bye for now.